With the help of GitLab CI/CD, you can collect the test coverage information of your testing or coverage analysis tools. This will allow you to see which lines of code are covered by tests and which lines still require coverage before the MR is merged. This is very helpful in one project, but what about the overall test coverage of all the projects in your group? With GitLab, it is possible to display the overall test coverage of all projects within a group. Let's take this group as an example. It contains several projects, and we want to know the average percentage of coverage across all of them. To do that, click on Analytics and select Repository. There we can see the number of projects with coverage reports, the total number of pipeline jobs that produce coverage reports, the average percentage of coverage across all your projects, and a view of the different projects and its latest coverage results. If needed, all this data can be downloaded and exported for further use. You can quickly get a true sense of total coverage in all your projects for different programming languages inside the GitLab group.